Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off touch sound on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, touch sound can sometimes reveal that you are using your device, which may not always be desirable, especially in public settings where you want to maintain privacy. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, you firstly enter to the settings on your device. Well, so here select sounds and vibration menu. After that, select system sound option. And here look for touch interactions, then turn it off like this. Okay, so now the touch sound on your device is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off touch sound on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.